Subject object oriented programming and topic is inheritance. So inheritance is the mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features, it means fields and methods of another class. It is process of deriving a new class from an existing class. A class that is inherited is called a superclass, and the class that does the inheriting is a relationship. The keyword used for inheritance is extends. So the syntax is class, subclass name, extends, superclass names. So subclass is a class which is getting the acquiring the properties of superclass. So this is a syntax and extends is a keyword. Extends is a keyword indicates that we are creating a new class that derives from an existing class. The constructors of a superclass are never inherited by subclass. Advantages of inheritance. There are three advantages: code reusability, data hiding, and overriding. So code reusability, as we know, public methods of base class can be reused in derived classes. So we can reduce writing codes repeatedly. We can reuse the codes. Data hiding. Private data of a base class cannot be altered by the derived class. So some important data can be hidden. Overriding. With the inheritance, we will be able to override the methods of the base class in derived class. So types of inheritance. Single inheritance. So in single inheritance, a subclass inherits the features of one superclass. There will be two classes, one subclass and one superclass. That is single inheritance. Sure, class B acquires the properties of class A. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, the derived class is being inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also act as a base class to other class. So it's like a chain. One class derives another class, and another class derives the another class. It goes like a blockchain. Derived class in turn acts as a base class for another class. So here there are more than two classes, class A, class B and class C. So class C acquires the properties of class B as well as class A, and class B acquires the properties of class A. So class A is the base class, and class B is the child class to class A, and class C is the child class to class B as well as A. Then hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one class serves as a superclass for more than one subclass. Here class A is the superclass or parent class which serves as the base class for more than one child class, class C as well as class B. This is hierarchical inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Java does not allow multiple inheritance. So for this in Java we are using interfaces. To reduce the complexity and simplify the language, to avoid ambiguity caused by multiple inheritance. So here class C inherits the properties of class A and class B. This is multiple inheritance. There are two parent classes and one child class. So Java doesn't allow multiple inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. It is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. So here this is hybrid inheritance. Here class A is the base class. It is having two child classes, class B as well as class C, and class D is having two parent classes. Class B also a parent class and class C also a parent class. Class D acquires the properties of class B, class C and class A. Access control in inheritance. The following rules for inherited methods are enforced. Variables declared public are protected in a superclass or inheritable in subclass. Variables or methods declared private in a superclass are not inherited at all. Methods declared public in a superclass also must be public in all subclasses. Methods declared protected in a superclass must either be protected or public in subclasses. They cannot be private. Using super. Super is a keyword. The super keyword refers to immediate parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by super reference variable. If it can be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable when both parent and child class have members with same name. It can be used to invoke immediate parent class method when child class has overridden that method. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent in class constructor. Use of super with variables. When both parent and child class have member with same name, we can use super keyword to access member of parent class. Use of super with methods. The super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if subclass contains the same method as parent class method overriding. Thank you.